We all are competent at showing the brighter version of ourselves to the world. We don't want anyone to see our darker side. This is human nature. The reality is that no one is perfect, everyone is improving. Sadly, most of the people in our society point out the negative traits of a person irrespective of the circumstances. Being judgmental is natural, but using that judgmental power to despise a person is really lethal. A lady got divorced, this has to be her fault. A person is a smoker, he has to be vagabond. A girl is wearing indecent clothes, she has to be characterless. A man is helping her wife in house chore, he has to be handpacked. Society needs to get out of the notion that labeling someone because of what he or she publicly displays is immoral. Here are a few of the most important reasons why we should not judge other people. Firstly, is lack of information. Most of the time, we tend to judge a situation without knowing the whole story. It is very important to hold off until we know all facts. Secondly, each person is different from the other. If you don't like doing something, it doesn't mean that the other people should not do it too. Third is walk a mile in other person's shoes. Before judging someone, put yourself in their shoes. We totally overlook other person's challenges and issues they might be facing. Appearances are often deceptive. Meeting people for the first time, we always make a judgment based on their appearances, though the Proverbs tells us not to make such mistake. Last but not the least, quote by Paulo Coelho, we can never judge the life of others because each person knows only their own pain and renunciation. So, judge less, accept more, and restore happiness. No one is born ugly. We are just born in a judgmental society. A beautiful quote by Kim Namjoon. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel Mind Tricks by Jyoti.